Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU usage or memory usage or disk usage on your system due to Antimalware Service Executable, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now the resolution is a little complex, but I'll guide you step by step. So it has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum and quite a lot of users found help with it. Search for task scheduler in the Windows search bar, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now expand the task scheduler library, expand Microsoft, expand Windows, scroll down, and reach the Windows Defender folder. Click on it. In the right pane, expand this list. Okay, I'll show you in full screen. Expand this list. There's something called as Windows Defender Schedule Scan. Double click on it. Go to the Conditions tab. Check the box associated with start the task only if the computer is idle for, and then change this to 1 hour and wait for idle time. Change it to the highest value, which is 2 hours. Make sure that stop if the computer ceases to be idle is checked. So both of these should be checked. This time should be 1 hour, this should be 2 hours. Click on OK. Close this, restart your computer, and the problem will be fixed for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.